Okay, so here I'm just going to go ahead and start my Python tutorial. For those of you who don't know, Python's a programming language, and for you, CJ, it's going to be your language. So, the first thing I want to do is talk about where you get Python. So, you can get Python from python.org, which is right here. And they've recently come out with 3.2 and 2.7. Now, there's a difference between 3.2 and 2.7, so you can go ahead and read the manual pages on that if you like. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to just use 2.7, because in my opinion, 2.7 is just a little more stable. And the official version, by the way, is 2.6. So I'm just going to use 2.7 because it's cooler and whatnot. Okay. So the next thing I want to talk about is knowing your IDE. So you could go ahead and read the O'Reilly Commons on how to know your IDE, because it's one of the 97 things that a programmer just has to know. And an IDE is in a integrated desktop environment, and basically what this means is what you're developing your programming language off of. So there are various ones to choose from. I'll just go ahead and go through a lot. The number one easiest IDE to choose from, although I really don't recommend it, is Notepad, because Notepad, you can type in your print statements and you start programming off here and whatever. And if you'd like, you can use Notepad, but I think it's lame. The second one is called gedit, and for Linux computers, they come with gedit already compiled onto there. And it's good. It has syntax highlighting and everything you could want in a program. And it's basic. So if you like gedit, you think this looks nice, yeah, you can go ahead and use it. Everything's also very customizable, and as you see, it's Python, tab width, everything like that. The next one I want to show off is Aditra, which Aditra is right now in alpha. It's really, really new. Here it is right up here, and I like it. I think it's nice. It has a nice little word boundary guideline, has a nice little file browser, anything you could want in it, you pretty much got through plugins. And so Aditra is really nice. And then there's these two other IDEs, and they're really just programming text editors, Emacs and Vim. And I don't have Vim on this computer, but I do have Emacs, so I'll just show you here. You download Emacs and you put it in a nice little folder, probably in your root hard drive. And go ahead and run Emacs, and they're both along the same lines, but I really don't recommend using them, just for the purposes that they take a while to get used to. So if you like it, you can go ahead and use it. If you don't like it, you could delete it or something. I don't know. But a lot of people swear by Emacs, and some people say they hate it. I personally hate it. I'm pretty sure it has everything you could ever want in plugins and whatnot, and there's a lot of customization to it. So to just kind of show you exactly what happens, this one is also similar to Emacs, and this is Vim, and this is their customized editor that they've made themselves, and they've put comments in here to show you exactly which one they mean and whatnot, but I don't recommend it. Okay, so before you go on to this tutorial, please be sure to take a look at all the editors you like and pick which one you'd like to start editing Python with. That is it. I will see you next video.